Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. We only want to focus on the shorter time frame today because literally since yesterday the price has just moved sideways, and yeah, in my opinion, what I said to you yesterday was just confirmed by the overnight price movement here. So the yellow count, in my opinion, is still in control. So I'm focused here further on the downside, and this could have been a complete wave 2, which topped here yesterday at the 50% retracement at 26,774. However, since then, price hasn't really started to move impulsively to the downside, which is what we would want to see if wave 2 really topped. So I cannot rule out that this wave 2 simply extends a little higher. What I think, today is Friday, right? So what we often see on a weekend is a wave 4. I would not be surprised if we see a flush today in a third wave and maybe get a fourth wave weekend, boring weekend again. But again, that is pure speculation. If it turns around here, it would be a good time now to turn around to the downside after this corrective move to the upside. Yesterday I explained to you that yes, we had a support area defined here. Yes, price reversed out of it. So if I can just move that back to the left here actually. Because Bitcoin reacted to the golden ratio there, okay? Reacted to the 61.8 fib level. Shows you that you shouldn't always necessarily trade the primary count, depending on what your strategy is. This was the support area for the orange wave count, which would set price up for higher into the 29K region. But I said to you yesterday, if you then see that price isn't really moving up impulsively, you typically see a reaction anyway, but that it doesn't move up impulsively might be worth to at least manage risk properly, okay, which you should do anyway. So I think the choppy price action from yesterday's low, or actually from the Wednesday low, just confirms my view that the yellow count is in control, that we head down lower. It would be confirmed by breaking below 26,140. That would at least be a break below the what we call at the moment wave 1 low, and would typically confirm the onset of wave 3. If price breaks above the 78.6 fib retracement here of the move to the downside, it would rather show that the bulls are more serious here. But at the moment I see the orange count as less probable. Not improbable, but less probable than the yellow wave count. It's a very, very important decision point here for Bitcoin at the moment that should and could decide where Bitcoin is heading over the course of the next week or so. Bear in mind, next week, looking forward to that, we've got CPI data and we've got the Fed interest rate decision, so that could generate additional volatility in the market. So I think situation is clear. Focus on the downside. Strong support expected anyway around the previous lows here, around 25.4K. Okay, very strong support because also the 50% retracement level of the more significant move between March, 10th of March and April. But already a break below the 26,140 level should confirm that we are in the third wave. So yeah, two scenarios. One pointing to the downside is currently the primary expectation. One pointing to the upside is currently the alternative wave count, which I see as less probable, and the, let's call it breakout point, or point where the pivot, where probabilities shift towards the orange count, that's 27,140. But then it also still needs to move above the Tuesday high. I think it was Tuesday, yeah, which is here at around 27,430. And yeah, that's my view about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.